All right. I think there's a lot of people out there that are excited for this show, and it's time to get started. To begin with, the first thing we're going to do is have Mr. Crossman. He's going to do a merge sort for us. But just to make you feel good about it, he's going to do it without his eyeballs. Blindfolded, I say. Mr. Leo, where you at, mate?
Yo. Okay,
All right, Leo, take it away. The show's yours.
Thanks. Let me share my screen.
Let's go, baby.
Yeah, so Jake's gonna be my guide, because
Recording in progress.
if I mess this up, which I'm probably going to, I don't want to not be able to finish it. I also listen to music when I do algos, so I'm gonna give you the full experience of me doing an algo, but I don't normally do them blindfolded. This playlist, by the way, best playlist on Spotify, so you'll get your taste now. Cool, so just showing you there's nothing funny going on in this directory, so we'll open up a new file called, MergeSort, and we're going to do this in TypeScript just to, if there's one person who, as a result of this, becomes a TypeScripter, it'll be time well spent. So I'm going to make this full screen. There we go. Oh, what the heck just happened? Okay. I don't know what that is, why there's two of them. Oops. Cool. Okay, first things first, actually, I need to start Quokka. Is that how you pronounce it, I think? Okay, cool. So I'm gonna do this, and then, yeah, hopefully. I don't know. I didn't really practice this enough with all the, networking day stuff, so I really hope that this, goes well. I'm trying to find the, F keys. Okay, cool. So first thing is that I'm in, I use Vim. I started using Vim recently, and it's pretty cool. So there's, a few modes. So I'm in insert mode right now. So, I guess first thing would be to define an array, and it is going to be an array of numbers. And this is what I always struggle with, is the brackets without whatever you call it. So I think it's that, and then space, and then enter, and then I'm going to just make another bracket, and I hope I just hit a bracket there, and I'm going to do just a bunch of random numbers. So I need to find a comma, which I think is that. So someone give a shout if I didn't just make a bunch of numbers.
Yeah, Leo, do you want me to tell you if you're doing it wrong or not?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Great, you're fucking killing it. You're amazing. Go.
Okay, thanks. I thought I was totally off track. Okay, cool. So I will now console.log array, and oh no, not array. I'm just going to delete the line and then do that again. Console.log a function I haven't written yet, MergeSort, and I'll pass an array. Okay, cool. Now I'll use the Vim double G to go to the top of the file, create a new line, do that again, and now I think I can write my function. So const, I don't know if I just wrote it, so I'm going to rewrite it. Const MergeSort. Oh my gosh, this is so much pressure.
You're good, baby. Don't
equals. Let's go. All right, yeah, that's what I like to hear. Okay, I should have practiced.
My God, it's Jason Bourne.
Is that an open parentheses?
No.
Fuck. Okay.
You're 2 over from that.
What does that even mean?
2 over to the left.
On my keyboard or in the editor?
On your keyboard. Delete and then 2 over to the left.
Good technical communication.
No. One more over to the right.
All right, you know what? How about this? Cool. So const merge sort equals okay. If that's delete plus minus 0, is that good?
Yep.
Sweet. Okay, cool. So we'll take in an array, and the type will be a number or an array of numbers. I think I just put a bracket there, so I don't really want to go to my arrow keys, so I'll go to the end of the line, and oh shit. Yeah, so I'll go back a little bit. Can you just tell me, Jake, when I'm right after the closing parentheses? How many
1 over. Go back to where you were. You're fine. Press right a few times.
Like that?
Yeah, you're good.
Cool. So now I just need to specify the return type, which, did I put the semicolon or no?
You did, you're good.
The colon? Yeah, okay, cool. So I just need to say it's an array of numbers. And yeah, so now I can go to the end of the line and write the arrow function. Yeah, the parts of this I really practiced were like just the parts of writing it, but I was looking at my keyboard, so not looking at the keyboard is like a whole new game.
You don't need to describe why this is ridiculous.
Yeah, I'm just gonna look at my keyboard and like not look at the screen and hope that's like enough of a talent, and then this doesn't take the whole time. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm going to do that, and yeah, so now I'm in the function, and cool. So now I just need to specify a base case. So if array.length is less than 2, then I will return array, and then go to the next line and specify the midpoint of the array when I split it. And so that is going to be a number. And then I'm going to set that equal to math.floor. Yeah, so it's not really blindfolded, but you know, math.floor. Did I make the parentheses or no? I forgot.
Not yet.
Okay, sick. Array.length divided by 2. And I'm just gonna do a quick prettier. Oh god, I didn't save it initially. I'll just press enter and hope that does it. Okay, cool. So now I think I can go to the next line and just say left and say it's going to be an array of numbers. And then again, and now I say, what do I want to do? I want to get merge. I want to call MergeSort recursively on array.slice of 0 to mid. Yep. And then const right, which would be an array of numbers, and go to the end of the line, or go to the equals. Oh, did I just press backspace or no? Like, is there an equal sign?
There is not.
Okay, sick. So I'll put that there. And I will then, what am I doing? The right? Yeah, so I'll say MergeSort array.slice. I think I could just say mid there, and then that's probably good. And then the last part of this function is just return merge left and right. And you might be like, Leo, you never wrote the merge function. And I would say you're right. I'm gonna do it right now. So I'm gonna go do that. So I'll go to the top of the file.
Wait,
and,
go back.
oh, damn.
Shit. All right. No,
What
no,
did
you're
I
good.
do?
You're good.
Am
Go
I good?
down. No. Go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines.
Is my cursor a block right now, or is it a? Yeah, it's a block. Okay, 7. Okay.
All right, and then go over until I say to the right.
Can I just go to the end, like all the way to the right?
No, it's in the middle. Keep going.
How many?
Just go to the right. I'll tell you when to stop. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. I got you, baby. Don't worry. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. I'll tell you when to stop.
How much? Like how much
Right,
can it
stop.
be?
All right, 1 back to the left, and then delete 4 times.
Okay. Am I good with the cursor there?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yep. Now,
Okay.
now go to the top.
All right, sick. Yeah, I don't know what I did then. That's odd. Okay.
And auto-correct it to MergeSort.
Oh, that's
Or
so
autofill.
messed up. Oh yeah, that's so lame. All right.
Hey, I'm here, baby. Don't
No, I
you worry.
appreciate it. Cool. I'm at the top, right? Did I go to the top?
Yeah, you're good.
All right, sick. So const merge. Is it trying to say merge sort right
Nope. No, you're good.
now? Okay, sweet. So I gotta do the parentheses again. That I'm totally gonna look for because I can't access parentheses without looking at my keyboard.
You're gonna go through each execution context blindfolded as well, right?
Of course, yeah, no, absolutely.
Great.
Come on. And left. And I'm just going to spare time and not define the types because I already did that earlier and whatever at this point. Taking longer than I thought I would. So just do that. And then, so here's something I hope people take away from this. Something I used to do is I used to shift a lot off of my arrays inside of while loops, but if you want to be faster, well, I guess first I should make a result array, and I'm just abandoning TypeScript, so, you know, fantasy world. Result, and then how many lines did I just make in between? I think I go
just
up
one.
Yeah, okay, cool.
Yeah, you're good.
And what do I want to do? Oh yeah, so let p1 equal 0. I think I just pressed a slash. Did I do that or no?
No, you're good.
Okay.
Oh, yes. Sorry, go back up 1 to the end of the line and then delete.
Go back up 1. So go up a line?
Yeah, up a line and then to the end and then delete. There you go.
Sick, thanks. And then did I make a line below this now, or do I need
There
to
is a line below this,
I'll just make a new one.
Yeah.
And then did I make the second pointer, or did I only make one?
You have not. There's only one.
Okay, so p2 equals 0. And so when you use, what I'm doing right now is I'm basically saying, like, while the pointers are less than the length of the array, which makes it so that I don't have to be checking the length of the array, which would be slow then to shift off of them, so I can just iterate through, which is like a little optimization. So where am I? I'm on a new line, right, Jake?
Yes, you are.
Okay, sick. So yeah, so while, let me save also. Oh no, I can't, I just said while. So let me delete that. Save, cool. Did I ruin the line I was on or no?
No, you're good.
Sick. Go to the end. Okay, so while p1 is less than array, oh no, not array, left dot length. Is this an ampersand here?
No.
Okay,
Those
I need to look at that then. Okay.
Oh, you were close though. Yeah.
Yeah, whatever. And p2 is less than right dot length. Then what I want to do is go inside of this, and it's a quick little like one line thing, so you can just do left, left, I need to look at the brackets here, so p1 is, oh no, it's less than right at p2, then I want to do result or results, what did I call it?
Result.
Okay, cool. Did I just say result period, or what did I do?
You did result period.
All right, sick. Push, and what do I want to push? Oh yeah, left at p1 plus, so I can like increment at the same time as doing this, so I don't have to worry about it later. And then otherwise, I will do result dot push right at p2 Cool, and that should be our loop. And I hope I am on the line below my while loops closing bracket. Let's go. Okay, while p1 is less than, left dot length. And yep, that's it. And so then I need to just do, if you don't know this, you can do like you can write your, if you have like one statement in the same way you can do like an inline if, you can do it for loops. So result dot push left at what? p1 plus. Cool. And then on the next line, it's the same thing, but for the right pointer, while right, p2 is less than right dot length. Then I want to do result dot push right at, I need to always look at this, p2 Cool.
Okay, wait, pause,
yes.
Leo. On both this line and the line above it, you have right pp2 and pp1 instead of the bracket.
Oh, geez. Okay.
So I'm gonna guide you. Go to the left 3 spaces.
Is my cursor a block or a vertical line?
It's a block.
Okay, sweet. Go to the left. Okay.
and then press delete.
Well, is this the thing that I need to change? Because if it's just like if I change the thing the block is on, that's easier for me. Then
Yes. Oh, okay. Then one more over. Sorry.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah. Then delete.
Delete or just replace?
You can replace
With what?
the bracket.
Okay, yeah. So I totally need to look at that. Okay, cool. How's that?
Great. And then go over to the right. Keep going 3 spaces. And then one more. And then bracket.
I just never made a bracket here.
No.
Am I replacing this or am I adding a bracket?
You're adding the bracket.
Okay. Is my cursor fine where it is? Or
Yes. Perfect.
okay, adding a closing bracket.
Correct.
Sweet. Okay.
And then you're going to do the exact same thing on one line above. So just hit up.
Am I vertical though? I'm vertical. Yeah. So go.
Yeah,
up.
you're good. And then one over, but make it an inline or make it a line.
This is the top line. This is the first while loop.
Yes.
Okay, then I'll just do that, and then that, and then while left. Whoops. While P1 is less than left that length. And then I close parentheses, and I'm just totally gonna look because I've taken way more time than I meant to. Result dot push. P1. Nope. Left at P1 plus plus. Okay, and then
Great,
I go
you're
down.
good. Oh wait, shit. All right, go up again.
Okay.
Go up again, and then go to the left. No, down. I'm sorry. Down one more time, and then go to the left like 8 spaces, like 10. But I'll tell you when to stop. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. I'll tell you to stop. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Back it up. 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 Back up. All right. Go to the right one more time. 2 more times, and then delete.
Delete.
There you go. Delete.
Just get rid of it.
Yep.
Okay.
Good, you're good.
Cool. Now, am I on the second while loop?
You are on the first one still, so go down twice.
Oh, I already returned, right?
Yeah, you did.
So
you're
this should
good.
be done
You can get
then. Just gonna
Yeah,
go ahead
you're
and
done.
save that and hope that I'm done, so I don't have to. Yeah, didn't I turn on Quokka or? Oh, I guess not. Okay, cool. Yeah, I wish I had more time to practice this so that it wasn't so clunky. But networking days turned out to be a lot more intensive than I thought. So, thanks for your patience, everybody. I appreciate it. That was pretty long. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm done.
Wow! Big round of applause for the blindfolded MergeSorter. All right. Miss Fiona, what did you think about that?
Let me tell you, I did not understand a single thing going on, but I was thoroughly impressed on the edge of my seat. I think I know all about MergeSort. Monkey is obviously a very big fan. I loved it. I think I'm ready to be a MergeSort genius. Once again, there will be a quiz after the talent show, so prepare your blindfolded MergeSort.